Hey everyone, and welcome back to Trees and Tailwags. This is another unboxing video with Max doing his July TailWagCo subscription box. TailWagCo is one of the 3 subscription boxes from Canada that Max is subscribed to. It's one of his favorites. This month's theme was Wag in the Water. We thought there was nowhere else better to do this than beside the lake. This month's box was so much fun to open. There was lots of fun summer treats and toys for Max, as well as for the dog owners. We love when the subscription boxes throw in 1 or 2 things for the dog owners alongside with everything for the dogs. Just a little something. Something else that Tailwag does as well, if you follow them on Instagram and or Facebook, they do offer discounts sometimes in regards to your first box order, so make sure to check them out. So of course, here is everything that is included in the box, and in the following clips we'll go over everything in more detail. The feature of this month's box was Dear Dog Treats. Their website, Instagram, and Facebook can be found there in the top left corner. So let's see what we got. The first toy we got was this dessert rocket chew toy. It's a very soft squeaker toy. We're saving it for when Max is over his destroy all the toys phase, just because this one is a bit softer and more delicate, but it's super cute, so that's why we want to save it for when Max is older. Next is this pill spiker toy. This toy was way more durable, and of course it has a squeaker inside. Max has been loving it. It's a chew toy that he gets to chew on, make lots of noise with, of course, so he was obviously a fan of this one. Next are these End Trail mixed treats from the Dear Dog Treats that were mentioned earlier, which are the feature of this month's box. They are made of smoked beef, lamb, and goat organs. Max loves these treats. They are also locally sourced, and for every pound of beef sold, they'll donate $1 to local animals in need. Next are these burger sliders with liver treats. I thought these were so cute because we always have burgers and Max is always drooling at them. They're made in Canada, 100% natural. They have beef, chicken, and ground oats. They help keep his teeth clean, they satisfy his chewing, and there's no preservatives, colors, or artificial flavors. He loves them, and they're a nice treat to give him while we're eating actual burgers. We also received this cookie treat from the Boucherie. It has super great ingredients, which we love from Max. We're just saving this one for a special occasion for Max to enjoy it. This was a treat for the humans, of course. They're sunglasses with the logo of TailWagCo on the side. These are now our cottage glasses. We love to leave a pair up there where we can keep them in case we want to swim with sunglasses on. We may get Max to try them on at some point too. And lastly, we received the Shark Chew toy. It again is very durable and it has a squeaker, but it's not as squeaky as the other ones. I believe this was an extra toy that was in the box, but we are not complaining. It's now Max's lake toy that we throw in and he runs to catch. So that was July's unboxing of the TailWagCo Wag in the Water box. Again, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow us for all our adventures and unboxings.